What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be replacing a fuel pump on this 1996 Chevrolet Cavalier. We started by jacking the car up and putting it on jack stands. We needed to remove the passenger side rear wheel to have better access. Now here we are removing the filler neck hose and the vent tube. Two hose clamps and pull the hoses out. If you have a hard time releasing the hose, you clamp it with a vice grip or a hose clamp and twist it around until you get free. Now we are removing the fuel filter. This is not the original fuel filter, this one was put on some time before. Now be careful when removing these lines because these have high pressure fuel build up in them, and when releasing them fuel might come flying out. Make sure you wear eye protection because you don't want fuel in your eyes, and have a bucket to catch them. Well, here we are disconnecting the fuel lines that need the quick disconnect tool. Now here is the quick disconnect tool that I used. A homemade DIY tool that we've made from the tip of the silicone gun. We cut it to length and cut a slot in it. You gotta wiggle it around, but it will get the job done. Now removing the 2mm bolts that holds the metal straps of the fuel tank on. Then the whole tank drops down. Make sure you remove the wiring harness, we didn't get that on camera. Now that we got the whole tank out, remove the wiring harness from the fuel pump side. And here is the new junkyard piece. Now remove the snap ring that holds the entire assembly on. And then pull it out. Now we are putting the new piece back in. Make sure you put the rubber O-ring before this one, because if it's not there, it will cause a check engine light. Plus fuel fumes everywhere. It's meant to seal the system. Now put back the snap ring. and reconnect the wiring harness.
Oh my god, 60 frames per second. Can you believe that? Man.
Now putting it back in was a little bit of a hassle since we were doing it on jack stands. We had to raise it some and push it some, then raise it some more and pull it, then push it, then a lot of stuff. It's really fun watching us suffer, isn't it? Now finally we got that son of a gun back in. Just a matter of bolting the straps back on, connecting the fuel lines that we disconnected, and it's all done. And of course the wiring. Now, as we're putting the fuel filter back on, the camera decided to die. So, now if you liked the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Peace.